Hi guys, welcome back. I know it's been a long time, and it's been like a month to be honest. And if you are interested in knowing what I've been up to, what's going on, why I haven't uploaded, let me know in the comments down below, and maybe I'll do like a chit chat, get ready with me, just giving you an update on how's life treating me. But I did get married a couple weeks ago, June 20th. So I'm a married woman now. And I decided that I wanted to preserve my wedding bouquet. So I asked a lot of you guys, I asked all of you guys on Instagram, if you follow me on there, if you wanted to see how I do it using a shadow box that I purchased at Michael's. And everybody said yes. I think the only one that said no was me, because after I posted the question, I realized that, like, do I want to film this? Do I want to do all this work? But yeah, everybody wanted to see it, so I filmed it for you guys, and this is gonna be the video. It's super quick, super short video, super simple process, but just wanted to share with you guys. Another thing that has been on my mind is whether I want to continue to post content on here, or if to transition to do it on Instagram. I feel like Instagram is just getting a lot more traffic, and it's just easier to do it on there. Most of my friends that follow me here follow me on Instagram. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to keep posting here, or if you would do the transition with me and just, watch my content there. Regardless of if you want me to keep doing it here or on Instagram, make sure to follow me on Instagram. It is Electric Liz. I'm gonna leave the link down below. I do ask a lot of questions there. I post what I eat, what I'm cooking. Like I post a lot on Instagram, and it would just be nice if you follow me so that I can follow you back and we can be friends. But yeah, pretty much the only materials that I used was the shadow box that I bought at Michael's. I think it was like $19.99. They had a lot of different colors and a lot of different sizes, and just the bouquet. You can buy a spray that they sell to help with the color of your flowers. But when I decided to do this, my flowers were already kind of getting old and drying. So I figured like there was no point of me spraying that, because they're already looking a little rough. So pretty much I just hang them upside down for about a week and a half or so that they dried. And then once I felt that they were all dried is when I decided to put them in the box. So let me know if you guys have any questions, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, so here is my dried up bouquet. As I mentioned, I did hang up upside down for maybe like a week and a half or so to make sure that everything was dry, but they did such a wonderful job with this bouquet. It had pale peach roses, white roses, Italian bruscus, baby blue eucalyptus, limonium, a bunch of stuff that I don't even know how to pronounce, but it was so beautiful, and it was kind of like cascade style. As you can see, I did have a little bit of a hard time setting them up apart from each other, like cutting that band that was holding them together, because it had like some type of glue, and it was just really hard to do it with the scissors that I was using. But as you can see, I'm just kind of separating what I want to use, what I want to get rid of. I'm cutting the roses and just kind of setting them aside so that I have them available whenever I start putting them in the box. So this is the shadow box that I bought at Michael's. I want to say that it is 10 by 10, but I could be wrong. It was probably around $20 or so. They did have some display boxes as well if you want to do like the whole bouquet and just call it good. But I wanted to do a shadow box, and as you can see, I'm trying to accommodate as best as I can. I do wish that I got maybe like a tiny smaller box, because I did have a lot of empty space. But what I did was just use more eucalyptus and more petals that I had just around there to kind of fill in the spaces. And yeah. So I decided to grab some of this paper that I have. It's kind of like glittery paper, and I took 2 gold glitter pages to kind of make up for that, for those empty spaces, just in case you could see like the background, then you see like gold glitter. And I did cut it a little bit too small, but it's okay, it works. And this is the final result. I hope you guys like it. I think it's really, really cute. And I don't know where to hang it.